I'm showcasing the CSD Landscape Generator today, a feature in Mercury that's part of the CSD theory suite. I'm going to start by introducing the chemistry I'm interested in. I could import a molecular file, or sketch some chemistry, or even input a SMILE string. For this example, I'm going to input the SMILE string from the pharmaceutical compound sulfathiazole. The software will automatically generate a high-quality 3D conformation of the molecule using the CSD conformer generator, which I can then use directly as input for the CSD Landscape Generator. I'll now open the feature and set off the generation of some structures. With the Landscape Generator, I can generate the solid form landscape of any single or multi-component system quickly, easily, and empirically, harnessing the knowledge in the CSD. We now have a set of structures generated using the knowledge in the CSD. We can look at the overall data for this landscape by generating a scatter plot. We can look at the density of the crystal structures and the score that's been used, generated for the CSD Landscape Generator. Each of the points on this plot is one of the crystal structures that have been generated by the CSD Landscape Generator, and we can take a look at any of them in Mercury to find out more information about it. Each of these is a fully realized 3D crystal structure with full crystal packing and interactions. We can explore it just like we would for any experimental crystal structure to understand what makes it up. If you'd like a demo of CSD theory, please contact us.